he's the one providing the scoring, Dr. J.
And Lim is now coming back in for Pumaret. Obviously, Norman feels confident with Agustin and that shot earlier, and he feels that also with the Capascio sitting on the bench, it's now time to bring Samboy back in, no? Because they can never really get that crowd exploding for them unless Samboy comes up with his heroics.
Frankie Lim is well aware of that. Here's one. Right there again, immediately.
He waited for Capascio to sit down on the part of the coaching staff of San Miguel, and when he did, that's when he brought in quickly Samboy.
And Samboy didn't have the right thing in his mind to take it strong, gain that first quick step.
And he has one of the quickest steps going to the right. That will be an automatic violation against San Miguel. They did not have enough formation, but the referees missed that. Anyway, the ball still with Purefoot. That should have been gone to the side because they didn't have enough people rebounding in that place.
Here's Grandison. Police league away to prevent attempt. No good. Patrimonio. Yeah!
Here's the guy who plays like an import when it's time to play. You can see how strong he is off the boards. Back to a 13-point lead for them.
I have been watching him all these years, and I cannot seem to be amazed by his plays. On the other hand, I never tired of watching the Skywalker at work.
Well,
That's
four
either of the fans.
Yes, 4 straight points here for Samboy. The lead is down to 11.
Remember that game against Swift where San Miguel was down by as much as 15? Samboy took over. Just what San Miguel didn't go all the way. Here's Samboy Lim. Start playing!
It's the worst thing to do is to foul him in open court because you know he's going to take it strong, and Samboy again gets another opportunity for a 3-point play.
Right, the San Miguel fans have been quiet this minute enough to play.
But they have come alive in the heroics of Samboy. 6 straight points for him.
Is concerned that maybe the Eagles might just be watching him.
Well, remember, that was expressed by Chino Trinidad. That, you know, he can be confident, but it's not over. Yes. So, pay attention to the game, guys. And Samboy coming out like a comet here.
It's just that he's not getting his stomach. He comes just once every so many years.
He's breathing fire right now. 7 points for him, down to 8.
This game totally different now. Largest lead of 20. Don't forget, the winner moves in to play Swift on Friday for the crown. Grandison. Got it. Here comes up Augustine. He wants to get into Samboy. Samboy through the gauntlet. That could have been a foul there.
The both teams looking for foul on both ends of the floor.
Patrimonio, hard at work, it won't go.
Left-handed shot there. Team Medici giving up the foul, and we have free throws here for Patrimonio.